My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware that is called Blender. Blender is a new ransomware type threat that currently targets many Windows computers all over the world today. This ransomware is able to encrypt the files that people store on their computers. Then, after the encryption, the special extension is added to all the files that have been damaged by the ransomware. So I will demonstrate to you what exactly this ransomware does. Of course, before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening the files. Unfortunately, the internet is full of ransomware type threats today. Some way or another, the ransomware may be injected into the computer. So pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot open their data anymore. Especially this happens after they restart their computer. They soon realize that the files have been damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware. So the files are no longer available. The ransomware encrypts them and tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. Obviously, that's the serious problem for people to realize that their files are no longer usable. And you can clearly see that this special Blender extension has been added to the data. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom for file restoration, but we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because this does not guarantee that the files would be restored. First thing we recommend you to do is to go to your Windows Explorer, go to C drive, select Program Files, go to Internet Explorer, start Internet Explorer browser, and then you need to download the special program that will help you to remove this Blender ransomware from your computer. Go to the page combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner antivirus in order to effectively remove this particular ransomware from your computer. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type infections. So use this green button to download Combo Cleaner antivirus, run the installer, and then start carefully researching your system with its help. You might need to access Combo Cleaner folder to start Combo Cleaner program directly through this folder because its desktop icon may also be encrypted. So click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your computer. First of all, it will update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection and removal. So, after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program begins scanning the system, and at the end of the scan, it will give you the summary of all threats found during the scan. You'll be able to know the exact location of a specific threat. But keep in mind that to remove these threats, the premium license is required. The premium license of Combo Cleaner has got the excellent anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders that will be protected against ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from being damaged in the future.